In this video, I'll show you how to install mods in the Retrieve, Extract and Profit Operation repo. First, download and install Thunderstorm Mod Manager. Open it, search for repo and create a new profile. Before adding any mods, install R.E.P.O. This is required for other mods to work. Then, browse and install mods like more players for bigger lobbies, more head for cosmetics, late join, more revive HP, and improve stamina. Once you're done, click play modded to launch the game with mods. You can also launch the regular game with the vanilla button. To change mod settings, go to edit config, but make sure you've launched the game once so the config files appear. You can also share your mod setup with friends by clicking share and sending them the code. They can import it and join you easily. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.